Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn some basic operation on MATLAB part 3. Okay. SQRT square root, SQRT within first bracket 25 bracket end percentage library function of square root enter square root of 25, answer is 5. 36 square root of Q R T within bracket 64, enter 8. Okay. CLC clear. If A equal to 36 semicolon, enter, then SQRT within bracket A first bracket, enter 6. Okay. Now PI, enter 3.1416 pi, value of pi. Okay. If x equal to pi, value of x 3.1416. Okay. CLC clear the skill. Now round, ROUND, round within bracket x. Here comments is percentage rounding numbers, enter, value is, answer is 3. X value of x, actual value of x 3.1416, round x, rounding the number, here value of x becomes 3. Okay. CLC. Now A equal to minus 35, enter, A equal to minus 35. Now ABS, absolute value within bracket A first bracket percentage library function of absolute value, enter, absolute value 35, real value A equal to minus 35, absolute value of A equal to 35. Now Pi enter equal to 3.1416. Okay, CLC, clear the screen. Here Pi by default percentage format sort by default, five digit for format, enter. Here Pi give the format sort by default format 5 digit. If there is any mistake, we just click on up arrow and then correct the spelling, digit, digit, enter. Value of Pi 3.1416. This is 5 digit. Now we type long format. Okay, CLC, clear the screen. We type FORMAT format, LONG, long format, long, enter. Now Pi, here we write the comments, FORMAT format, long 15 digit, 15 digits, enter. Value of Pi, here 15 digit, again Pi, enter. Now it is long format, 15 digit. Okay, now CLC, clear the screen. Now format sort, FORMAT format sort, SHORT, sort, enter. Pi percentage format 5 digit. This is percentage format 5 digit. This is comment, non-executive statement, enter. Now value is 5 digit 3.1416. Again type Pi. This is format sort. Okay, now CLC, clear the screen. Now format, FORMAT format, SHORT, sort, E, format sort E, enter. pi, now pi percentage comments is 5 digit with exponent value is 3.1416 e plus 000. Okay, again type pi. Okay, now CLC format, now type format long E, enter. pi comments is 15 digit with exponential. Okay, this is 15 digit, again type pi, this is 15 digit. Now again format short pi 3.1416, value of pi in format short 3.1416, by default 5 digit. Okay, CLC, clear the scheme. Now format FORMAT, format bank, BANK, enter. Now pi, enter. Value of pi is 3.14. Okay, now format blank means 3 digit 3.14. Okay, again format compact, 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 enter. There is some mistake, FORMAT format space compact, PACT. Okay, here format compact, in previous format spelling FOMAT, there is a mistake. Now correct is FORMAT, format compact. PI, enter. The value is 3.14. PI, again PI, here comments is compact output display surfacing extra line feet. .14. it is clear, my student. Thank you.